Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, fourth question. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Let us solve this problem. To solve this problem, we must know this property of an isosceles triangle. Okay? Suppose ABC, it is an isosceles triangle. Then the two sides of an isosceles triangle must be equal, right? Two sides of an isosceles triangle is equal. We must know this property. Okay? Suppose if we know this property, we can solve this problem easily. See here I have considered the vertices of a triangle as ABC. Okay? Let me name A as 5 minus 2 and B as 6, 4 and C as 7 minus 2. Now, let us find out the distance between AB, BC and AC. Okay? First, let us find out the distance between AB. Okay? AB. Then, what is the formula to find out the distance between the 2 points? That is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Right? Now, see here we must know the value of x2, x1, y2 and y1. A, that is 5 minus 2. B is what? 6, 4. Then this is our x1 and this is our y1, right? Now this one, it is our x2 and this is our y2. Now let us substitute these values here, okay? AB is equal to, the distance between AB is equal to square root of, say bracket, x2, the value of x2 is 6. 6 minus x1, that is 5 square plus y2, the value of y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Look at this carefully. Here the value of y1 is minus 2. Therefore, let us take this minus 2 in the bracket. Okay? And this bracket whole square. Let me write square. Okay? Now AB is equal to square root of 6 minus 5 is what? 1. 1 the square plus. Now look at this carefully. 4 minus into minus is plus 2. Right? For the square, let me write square. That is AB is equal to square root of 1 square is what? 1 plus 4 plus 2 is what? 6. For the square, let me write square. AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 6 square is what? 36. Okay. Then AB is equal to square root of 1 plus 36 is 37. Isn't it? The distance between AB is what? Root 37. Okay. Let me write there. The distance between AB is root 37. Okay. Now let us find out the distance between BC. I am going to rub this. You can copy down. Now we are finding the distance between BC. Okay. Therefore, BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. This is the formula to find out the distance between the 2 points. See here B. is what? 6, 4. C is what? 7 minus 2. Right? Therefore, the value of x1 is 6. The value of y1 is 4. Here the value of x2 is 7 and y2 is minus 2. Let us substitute these values here. Okay? BC is equal to square root of bracket x2. The value of x2 is 7. Let me substitute here. 7 minus x1. x1 is what? 6. The whole square. For this plus, let me write plus. Bracket y2. The value of y2 is minus 2. So, let us write minus 2. For this minus, let me write minus. The value of y1 is 4. Whole square. Okay. BC is equal to square root of 7 minus 6 is what? 1. 1 the whole square. For this plus, let me write plus. Now look at this. Minus 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 6. Right? The whole square. Right? Now BC is equal to square root of 1 square is what? 1 plus minus 6 the whole square. Say minus 6 the whole square means what? Minus 6 it is present 2 times, right? Minus 6 the whole square means what? Minus 6 it is present 2 times. Minus into minus is plus. 6 into 6 is 36. That is plus 36. Okay? When it will come square, the minus it will become plus. Minus 6 the whole square is 36. BC is equal to 1 plus 36 is what? 37. The distance between BC is square root of 37. Let me write there. The distance between BC is square root of 37. Now, let us find out the distance between AC. Even though we got the distance between the AB and BC as 37, root 37, let us find out the distance between AC. Okay? You have to find the distance between AC also. Then you have to decide whether the given triangle is isosceles or not. Because in an isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal. Okay? Therefore, we have to find out the distance between all the 3 points. Okay? Now, let me going to rub this. Now, let us find out the distance between AC. AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. A is equal to 5 minus 2. C is equal to 7 minus 2. Here, the value of x1 is 5, y1 is minus 2. x2 is 7 and y2 is minus 2. Let us substitute these values here. Okay? AC is equal to square root of bracket x2. The value of x2 is 7. 7 minus x1. The value of x1 is 5. 7 minus 5 the whole square plus bracket open y2. The value of y2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus y1. The value of y1 is minus 2. Let us take this in bracket. See here, see carefully. The value of y1 is minus 2. Let us take this in bracket. Whole square. Okay. AC is equal to square root of 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 2 the whole square. For this plus, let me write plus. Now look at this carefully. Minus 2. Minus into minus is what? Plus 2. Right? Minus into minus is plus 2. Then bracket close. For this square, let me write square. Okay. AC is equal to square root of 2 square is what? 4. For this plus, let me write plus. Plus 2 minus 2, it will get cancelled. That is 0 the whole square. AC is equal to square root of 4 plus 0 the whole square is what? 0. Right? Then AC is equal to square root of 4. AC is equal to square root of 4 is what? It is 2. The distance between AC is 2. Now look at this. Here the two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Isn't it? Root 37, root 37. That is AB is equal to BC. Therefore, the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isn't it? Here, AB is equal to BC is equal to root 37. Therefore, the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you.